Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. Now, don't worry, your screen is there's nothing wrong with it. This video is meant to be in the dark. So, stick with me through this because I want to show you a couple things. Now, I ride my TW to work in the morning, and when I go, it's actually a little bit darker than this. So, I just wanted to show you some of the gear that I have that helps me ride at night. So right here is my 2021 TW200. As you can see, it's on here, but very first thing is my TAC Industries headlight. So there we go, off, on, and then with the bright beam, I mean, it lights things up pretty well. And I was able to see a couple of deer ahead of me when I was on my way to work the other day, and I actually really enjoy that headlight. So the next thing I want to show you is this guy right here. So this is my Lexan G16 headset. I've got this one. My wife also has a set. We could talk to each other. I really enjoy this headset. It's just two earpieces that go in by the ears of your helmet, and you can listen to music. You can have Bluetooth, you know, on your phone and everything, so you can answer phone calls if you need to. But a really sweet, simple to use setup. But the thing that I like about it was, you can't see this here, but there's a TW. Back here I have the Nelson Rig Hurricane saddlebags, and I was trying to get stuff out of my bike the other day when I got to work, and I was like, oh man, it's dark, because I was parked out by a field where I go to work, parked out by a field, and I was trying to get stuff out of my saddlebag. So I've got, you know, the light on, and I'm trying to figure out what to do, and then I remembered, oh yeah, check this out. The Lexan G16 has a little light on it, so I can get into my saddlebags if I need to. I mean, I can do everything that I need to do, and it's all just right here on the side of my helmet. So off, on, and I think if you hold it down, it'll start to do like a SOS thing. I need to remember how to do that. I can't. I'm trying to remember, but right off the top of my head, I can't. But it'll do like a SOS flash if you're in, like, you know, an accident and you got to trying to show somebody where you're at. But dude, that thing is freaking sweet, and it is bright as all get out. And I mean, like I said, you could just check out what's going on with the bike. You know, I mean, you've got some light, not a ton for very far out, but if you're just trying to get stuff done with the bike, you've got all that right there. Makes life, you know, when you're riding at night, quite a bit easier. So we'll turn this off now. But there, yeah. So this is some of the stuff that I use to help me ride at night. Like I said, I've got the Nelson Rig saddlebags that I put all my work stuff in, and it carries everything that I need. And then that TAC Industries headlight, I am a huge fan of that thing. It's durable, it's bright, it's held up really well. I've had it on this one for quite a while, and I haven't had any issues with it. And like I said, it projects. I mean, this is just a low beam, but it projects out there quite a bit. We'll do the high beam for you one more time here. If I could find it on my bar. Whoop, not the horn. But yeah, so that's the high beam there. Brings out quite a bit more light. So anyways, this is what I use at night. If you're looking for something like this, I will put the links in the description down below. So whether you're riding at night, riding in the morning, you know, the early hours of the morning, and you need to have that light, this is definitely a way to go. And then also the G16 from Lexan is a sweet set as well. I love the flashlight on the side, and I will put the link to all of these in the description down below. So if there's questions or comments, make sure to put those down there as well. Let us know what you use. Hopefully you found this informative. Oh, and also make sure to check out the Instagram page, because that is where all the behind the scenes stuff is, all the pictures and different things that we're doing with the bike. So check that out. And if you're looking for parts or accessories, whatever, for your TW or any other bike that you have, make sure to check my affiliate link to Rocky Mountain, which is down below. Also, they've got all sorts of stuff for bikes, for four-wheelers, side-by-sides, all sorts of things. Even casual, like if you just want like a t-shirt or something that's dirt related, check that out as well. And we'll call it at that. I'm going to go in so I don't make any of my neighbors mad and get this video uploaded. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along. I'm Matt, this is Mob Street, and thanks for watching.